Oh, Sana, the amount of breathe in I have to do in this dress is indescribable. Is it indescribable or undescribable? I don't know, but all I know is it breathe in needs to take place. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Igama lami uPhumelele Wabandlazi, and as you can see from the beginning of the video, we are doing a SHEIN haul. This is me in my beautiful green dress that I'm planning on wearing in Cape Town. And then on this part, we're looking at my jersey that I'm truly enjoying. While recording this, I was busy watching Obonge on her YouTube channel, and back again to your girl. So in this vlog, in this clip, I was basically showing you my jersey that I'm enjoying so much. This jersey you can wear anywhere at any time. It's just that I was just trying to fit it, but it wasn't suitable for the weather at the time. So I still haven't worn it. Well, I haven't worn it anywhere else other than on this clip. Alright, on this side of the slide, we're looking at an outfit, a two-piece swimming costume. It's actually a three-piece, and I truly enjoyed it. The plan was to wear it on day one, actually on arrival in Cape Town. Really love it. Very comfortable, and I was actually quite lucky to have gotten a costume of my size. Ooh la la, loving this one, coming in hot. It's a three-piece swimming costume that you can just gladly wear at the beach. And we'll see if I'm gonna opt for the previous white two-piece or if I'm gonna go for this one. It'll depend on how I feel when I get to Cape Town. You guys, please let me know down below if you think I should wear the blue one or the white one, because according to the itinerary, we only have one day for the beach, because hey, we have a very jam-packed day or rather holiday. And then on this clip, we're looking at a dress that I really liked. Got it at SHEIN OFFS. It's a beautiful dress, and I'm planning on wearing this at the boat cruise. It was pretty tight, but I just like how it accentuates my body. So yeah, really loving on it. Hey guys, as you can see, my SHEIN order has finally arrived. Yeah, so this is what I look like in this dress. I love it so much. So yeah, this is the dress I got. So as you can see, guys, this dress is beautiful. It has a nice slit, but my biggest concern about it is that it was quite long, very long, and I was even thinking of getting it altered. And yes, I may wear this at the beach with my nice not slides but like sandals. So we'll see when we get there, but maybe it can be my second cruise outfit. Okay, and then on this part of the clip, I'm wearing these I want to say tights, or it's a swimming costume. You know the way I keep confusing my swimming costume and my bikinis? It's crazy. Anyway, got it in black, and I don't really like it. And this one right here is my fighter. I'm planning on wearing this at the what is it called? The dunes. At the dunes for quad biking. Looks very comfortable, but I'll be wearing that with a top. I'll see how I style it. and of course some Nikes. But for now, for the purposes of the haul, this is how I look in it. Very, very comfortable. I might even use it later. All right, right here we're looking at a nice cute black dress. You know, every girl needs to have a black little dress in the closet, and I didn't have one, so I decided to get this from SHEIN. It was very, very comfortable, but I was kind of worried that it was a bit, I don't know, I want to say long. Please don't judge me, but I love it. And I know at first glance I wasn't comfortable with it. I thought it was not what it looked like on the app, but as soon as I put it on me and I later wore it with my sandals heels, I felt very comfortable in it and I really loved it. So I think I'm gonna wear this or style it with some gold accessories. Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. The time right now is, I just want to say, after 5, or rather after 12 p.m. and I am starting this channel because I want to take you guys through my traveling experience. So I am on a, or rather planning a trip with my friends to Cape Town, and I don't really have space on my phone, so what I'm gonna do is delete content that I may not use anymore and then focus on this one. But anyway, yeah, I am hosting a farewell party for one of my, and they're still playing outside. Just in case you're hearing any noise or any sound, just know it's them outside. So I just came back in and I'm just gonna quickly go and do my hair. This is our maintenance weekend. So tomorrow we're going to be waxing and getting our hair done, and then our nails are going to be done on a Sunday. So once I have fully structured what my channel is going to be about and so forth, I will just quickly edit this video accordingly. So for now, just hold on to the fact that we'll be doing maintenance. So this is maintenance weekend. I've already started with my lashes. I got my lashes done in the previous weekend. I was in Gauteng. I got my lashes done. So these are a week old, right? And then so tomorrow my friend and I will be driving to Katu. The time right now is, I'm not sure, but I'll just put the time here for you guys. I'll put the time here to show you what time it was when I was getting my hair done. So I'm just gonna quickly wash my hair. It's such a disaster. So obviously I'm wearing this because I was just trying to hide, you know, you've already seen the condition of my hair at this moment. So I'm just gonna quickly go and wash my hair. Yeah, long story short, I am starting this video to take you through my traveling experience. So hope you guys are good, and thank you so much for tuning in on my channel. Please like, comment and share. Love you long time. Good morning guys. As you can tell, I washed my hair last night. In fact, not even last night, this was this morning, you know. So I quickly washed my hair and went to bed, and we're here now, you know. I have obviously taken a shower, now getting ready to drive to Gatu with my friend, get our maintenance done, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see if I can take you guys with me, but outside of that, this is my morning. I know I look bright and, I don't know, alive you know, for someone who really didn't get enough sleep. I mean, I think I slept for about 2 to 3 hours, and let's go guys. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back. Can imagine saying a KFC, obviously you can tell, and I just got done with my wax. It was very painful. Oh my goodness. I kind of knew what to expect, but sure, the pain, nothing could have prepared me for that, hey? But anyway, Right now I'm waiting for my friend who is now in. But obviously I didn't get a chance to have breakfast in the morning, so I'm here now. I ordered a zinger banger meal from KFC, and yeah, I'm trying to switch up from what's this? The usual or Starbucks. I always buy that, so I decided to go for something different. So there we go. Oh,
Are you feeling yourself?
like, am I not making with the good hair?
Yeah, make sure that
Thank you.
Please don't kind of freaking turn up away.
Nah.
Very dangerous.
What's home? Is this me?
10 minus nothing.
Like,
Actually like it so much.
not you hyping me up.
It's so nice.
I am that girl. Yeah?
20.
La la la. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna maintain this look. I love
That's pretty
it.
hair.
This was worth the
Just
drive.
happy that it's my life, so right? Oh.
Hey guys, my hair is nice and done. I love it. So yeah, we are done. We are done. You know what? This hair was worth the drive. Won't you look at that? Won't you? Yes. Hey, I love it so much. And I only used about 2 packets.
Someone making a video now, you can
Chocolate and caramel. Ooh.
Okay, let's get this camera ready. Let's get it ready. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day. In fact, it's the third day of maintenance. I did my lashes, check. Did my hair yesterday, you saw me, check. And today we'll be doing my nails. Lady is here, but she's still doing my she's still at my friend's place doing her nails. And then when she's done, I mean, she's parked outside, so yeah, when she's done doing my friend's nails, she's gonna come and do my nails. So in the meantime, I'll be washing all the clothes that I got from SHEIN. I did a haul, but it was not really put together properly, so I don't know if I'll be able to like edit that and post it up for you guys. But anyway, I will be quickly washing some of those clothes. In fact, everything. I'd love to wash everything, but also I'm thinking, yo, do I have time, because my day is so jam-packed. So but anyway, yeah, I'll be doing that. I'll be washing my clothes. I'll be washing everything that needs to be washed or get ready for, or rather prepared for, the trip next in this upcoming weekend. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly get ready and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Igama lami Opomi, and today we are unboxing my juicer. I bought it some 2 weeks ago and I've just kept it in the box. I know, usually when I buy something I use it that instant, okay? But this time around I was like, listen, I don't have time for this and I want to record it because something special to me. The initial plan was to unbox it on Christmas. But you know what? I'm not really, let me not even get into that. Anyway, so I wanted to unbox it on Christmas, but I realized that I may not be around on Christmas because I'm going on leave next week. So I'll be leaving the Northern Cape back to Gauteng for the festive season. And yeah, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. And yeah, let's do it. Oh, here's one more thing I forgot to mention. One thing about me, I will buy an appliance and not read the instructions. And for some reason, it would work and all is good, sharp, sharp, sharp. But this time around, I don't want to risk it because this product has a lot of components and I don't want to mess it up. So this is what it looks like. I got this on Take a Lot. Got this from Take a Lot. And that's one thing about me. Hey, I'm not proud to mention it, and don't try this at home. Read instructions, because if there's one thing about me, I'll just buy a product, use it without. I'll just figure it out. I'll just figure it out without reading the instructions. So I don't want to make that mistake with this particular product. I love it so much, and yeah, I look forward to using this product. So I'm in my healthy girl era, hopefully for a lifetime. My plan is not just to be in this particular era, but instead have this or live this as a lifestyle. I don't know, but yeah, that's what it is.
2,000 years later.